What's up, guys? Node Investor here. I'm excited to tell you guys about the Bitcoin Trading Challenge. This is a new video series that will be kicking off January 2019, and it's going to really have a couple of purposes. One, it's going to be very educational in nature, meaning I'm going to be sharing behind the scenes look at a cryptocurrency trading account that I set up for you guys. I've funded it. It is a brand new account, and I'm going to share every trade that I make. Now, this series will be primarily based on more of a swing trading style. So we're going to be looking at primarily 4-hour charts, daily charts. From time to time, I may do a quick trade, 1-hour trade and such, but this is going to primarily be 4-hour based swing trade styles. I do have separate accounts that I will use to go short, to manage other alt trading, other different type of strategies I'm doing. But the primary purpose of this account is going to be to maintain a BTC value and a BTC balance. And so I'm not going to care so much about what the current USD value price is of the account, but the goal is to maintain a BTC balance. And so what I'm doing is I'm going to start the account size at 5 BTC. Every month we'll take an assessment. We'll see how we did for the month, pluses, minuses, good trades, bad trades, and then we'll reset the account at 5 BTC again, and we'll keep it going. And so again, the purpose is going to be to just document the journey, document the challenge, and give you guys a behind the scenes look at trading. And that's going to be done by documenting very much everything I do, every trade that I make, why I made it, target stop loss, target profit, all that fun stuff. And so you can see this is a fresh account. Just funded it. It has no open orders. It's got no trade history, and so it is a fresh look, and we'll be taking a look at this weekly at least, maybe even more depending on how active the trading is. Some weeks will certainly be much more active than others depending on market conditions, but again, very rarely will I go into all cash or USD or some other stable. In rare occasions that may warrant the case, but for the most part the goal is just going to be to stay in BTC and moving in and out of altcoins, looking for those that are going to be outperforming Bitcoin. So that's the goal, increase the BTC value. There will be a very strict focus on risk management, and I will go over the rules in much more detail in later videos, show you guys my methodology, my thought process as to how I manage risk, how I calculate my position size, how do I know where to put the stop loss and all that. And that's really going to be the purpose of this series, is to show you guys the thought process that I go through there, why I like a particular trade, when I got out, and all that good stuff. So I'm excited about this. We'll go over into more details as to the specific strategies that I will be using and the particular setups that I like to trade on this account. But to give you guys a quick preview, again, as I mentioned, we'll be trading primarily alts versus BTC. This is obviously only going to be Binance coins. We will not use any leverage. These are long only strategies, so no short trading. And I'm going to primarily focus on mid cap to bigger cap names, those with a little bit more liquidity, those that are going to be easier to get in and out of. I'm not going to be chasing any pumps and dumps. I'm not going to be chasing any speculative coins or anything like that. It's going to primarily be structured price action base trading strategies around bases, pullback entries, that sort of thing. So it's going to be those alts versus BTC pairs on these watch lists that I post. And so that's what I'm going to be primarily looking at, just to give you guys a quick overview of that. There's going to be strict rules around when to get in, when to get out. And I'm never going to go 100% in on just one altcoin or anything crazy like that. It's going to be very structured. Again, risk control is going to be the primary focus here, and preserving that BTC as much as possible. So hope you guys enjoy. I'm excited about this series. I'm looking forward to tracking this journey with you guys. It's going to be a little bit different, a little bit new. I'm going to be under the pressure of performing and doing all that. But again, I'm going to maintain the disciplines and just keep this account very clean and very documented for you guys. And in the next video, when I do some trades, we will go over the details as to how I found the trade, what I'm looking for. I will be using the Node Insiders alert system quite a bit. I'm going to try to lean heavily on this for trades. The watch lists that are produced here, I'm going to look at those for trades. We'll set up a page here to provide some more real-time updates for those of you that want to follow along. But for now, that's where we're going to be going. I'm excited about this. I hope you guys can follow the journey. And of course, most importantly, I hope you guys can learn something from both my mistakes as well as some of the successes. Thanks for being here. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, everyone.